Yeah, it's really a wonderful morning. I have to thank the Miami Heat for an early birthday gift, making one of my birthday wishes come true. So they just need to keep on winning, right?
Down that street.
Yeah. In terms of our weather this morning, we have a little bit of smoke, but later on this afternoon will be beautiful. Oh, wow. Take a live look from our Doral camera. It is really a lovely sunrise out there. Take a look at the sun peeking out, a few clouds, but we do have a fire burning in West Miami-Dade County, about 3 miles to the northeast of Miccosukee. So if you're going to be traveling along Tamiami Trail between the Turnpike and Chrome Avenue, keep in mind visibilities are reduced. We're not seeing any rain on the radar. We desperately need it. It looks like we'll have a better chance of wet weather towards the end of the week. Rainy season really getting off to a slow start and not helping the drought situation. The wind's not helping us out this morning in terms of helping to carry the smoke away from the metro areas because the winds are calm in Homestead and Doral and light in Little Haiti and Kendall Lakes at about 2 miles an hour. We're seeing that the smoke is lingering over central Miami-Dade County. We're waking up with the 70s this morning. Cooler in Homestead was 70, but then 76 in Little Haiti, 71 in Kendall Lakes. Visibility down to 7 miles in West Kendall and earlier even down to 5 miles. So keep that in mind if you're traveling inland. Right now near 80 degrees in Pompano Beach. Cooler in Pembroke Pines was 73, 70 in Homestead and 77 in Miami. Now the tropics are heating up. Closely monitoring this broad area of low pressure in the central and western Caribbean with a medium chance of developing, a 40% chance according to the Hurricane Center. Hurricane hunters will be going in to investigate this later today. It's raining tons of rain to Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti, and Dominican Republic, unfortunately, with a threat of flash floods and mudslides. It looks like upper level winds will become unfavorable for development in the next 48 hours, but we have to wait and see. In the meantime, look at all the deep tropical moisture that is just hovering to our south. We have mostly dry air across the Sunshine State, but some of this moisture will begin to lift to the north as some of the models are showing us. So in the meantime, for today, it will be breezy with high pressure to our north, low pressure to the south. That creates a pressure gradient, and that means it will be a windy start to the week. Later on this afternoon, just as we've seen the past couple of days, it was really a nice weekend around here. Now some high clouds will be moving on in, especially with that strong onshore flow. The winds out of the east helping to hopefully carry that smoke away. Not much changing for tomorrow. Sun, breeze. Wednesday looks like we'll see an increase in the moisture as that area of low pressure potentially lifts towards the west southwest. So we'll be watching the tropics closely. Storms on the increase possibly by week's end. In the meantime, mainly dry today with plenty of sunshine, but a smoky start inland. 89 degrees a high for tonight. Pleasant with 72 inland, closer to the coast 77. Possibly a passing shower. Boaters, winds out of the east 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3. A moderate chop on the base. So the first half of the week is looking dry. The second half of the week, we're seeing a better chance of storms around, especially Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, with highs in the upper 80s all the way through the weekend. Right